Let's solve this equation for x using the properties of logarithm. So first I'm going to divide both sides by 38. So when I do that, I get p over 38. This equals e raised to the power of 0.013x. Now I'm going to apply natural logarithm to both sides. So when I do that, I get a natural logarithm of p over 38. This equals natural logarithm of e raised to the power of 0.013x. Now we apply the properties of logarithm, that is the power property of logarithm, and this means this power will come in front and it will get multiplied with this natural logarithm of e. So the next step, I can write down this as the left side remains the same, that is natural logarithm of p over 38. This equals 0.013x times of natural logarithm of e. We also know the value of natural logarithm of e. This equals 1. So therefore we can replace this natural logarithm e as 1. So I can simply ignore this because 0.013 times of x times 1 is just the same quantity. Now we solve for x from this equation. So we have to divide both sides by 0.013, and that gives the value of x as natural logarithm of p over 38 over 0.013, and this is also written as 1 by 0.013 times of natural logarithm of p over 38. And so this is the expression for x, which means we solved for x. And this means choice B is correct for part A. Let's answer part B. So here, when p equals 42, we have to determine x approximately. So for this, I'm going to use this x equation for x, which we found in part A. So let me copy the equation for x. This equals 1 by 0.013 natural logarithm of p over 38. So in place of p, I'm going to replace at 42. So I can put 42 for p over 38. And when we plug this expression into the calculator, we get approximately x as 7.7 years. We now interpret this result. For this, I'm going to round this year to nearest year. So this could be rounded to 8 years. And since p equal to 42 and when x equal to 8 years, and this means uh, we we consider the beginning of the year as 2000 as given in this problem, and x represents a number of years since 2000. So since we have determined 8 years, we add 8 to this 2000, so therefore this becomes 2008. So that is in year 2008 the population is expected to reach 42 million. So therefore, we choose the answer option D, which says that the population is expected to reach 42 million in year 2008, or it's given as during 2008. So this is the interpretation when p equal to 42.